Okay, I'm going to show you how I make your own microwave popcorn. Healthier, cheaper, just better. For this experimental purposes, I'm using slightly less than a quarter cup. That's 1/4 cup, so slightly less. And this is a lunch sack, a brown paper lunch sack, okay. You put the kernels in here, okay. And you get a bag of kernel corn. Yeah, it's real cheap. The cheapest, inexpensive way, much cheaper, better for you. I'm using no butter or salt. But I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to put this cell phone down, I'm sorry. Okay. If you noticed, I folded it more than once, and with tiny folds. You know, just use the size of your thumb, you know what I mean? Fold it more than once. Don't staple it or nothing. Then you're gonna stick it in your microwave. Now this might come open, you know what I mean? Just set it on its side, because my microwave's small, I have to set it on its side. You know, like so. And then, oh wait a minute, center it. Such a dork. Close it. And now, because my microwave runs a little hot, I'm going to put it for 2 minutes. Let's see how this goes. I've done this a second time already. This is my third time. So I thought I'd just show you people what I learned off the internet. Is this recording? Oh yes it is. The first time I tried to record it wasn't even recording. I'm talking for no reason. Yes, my cupboards need repaint. It's an old house. Sorry. Starting to pop. Now, if you're finding that the popping is slowing down and 2 minutes is not up, you just stop the microwave because you don't want it to burn. Okay, it's slowing down, so I'm going to stop it. There might be some kernels left, but it's best to stop it than have it burn. So I stopped it 15 seconds less. You want to wait a bit. Then you pull it out. And I wonder how many kernels there's left. I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to